So in this easel tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the background color here on Easil. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Easel application. Once it's opened up, you either have to start a new project or go into a current project. Now, once you're here, the default background color for me actually is just a plain white background. But if you want to change this for whatever reason or change it to another color, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the top left here and press on this square where it says color. Then once you press on it, you actually have this drop down. Now, it can get a little bit confusing because if you simply just press on the background color button right here, nothing happens. If you press on this option right here, it makes it no background at all. So what you actually have to do is go back to this white background right here, then go to where it says color picker and simply just press on that. Then once you're here, you actually greeted with a whole bunch of different options. So if you wanted a red background, you can do that. If you wanted to maybe switch this to more of like a purple background, you can do that. You can kind of play around with it this way. And once that is done, simply just press exit out of that. Now you've changed the background color here on Easel. So pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can edit the background color here on Easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.